High Energy is back. I'm your host, Esteban Gast, and get ready for an exciting new season brought to you by SoCalREN. That's the Southern California Regional Energy Network. It's a collective of public agencies united to lead Southern California into a safer, resilient, and more sustainable energy future. This season, we're diving deeper with real-world stories, smart energy solutions, and inspiring local community voices, driving change right here in our neighborhoods. Hear from Southern California's best and brightest leaders rolling up their sleeves to make clean and sustainable energy work for everyone.
I think those of us in kind of the climate space, like we do a pretty bad job at explaining what's actually happening. Why is carbon bad? Why are carbon emissions a problem? Why is combustion a problem? Like, why are we concerned with specific things?
And insights from experts who work with government officials to turn big climate goals into real climate action.
So when you look at food, you go, okay, where does it come from? How do we get it? Can we make it more local? And how local can we make it? So we built 80 garden food boxes in the streets of Venice. That's how it started.
New episodes of High Energy Podcasts are coming out monthly. Subscribe anywhere you get your podcasts, like Spotify, YouTube, Apple, and you can go to SoCalREN.org/about/podcast to listen to upcoming episodes.